Representing irrational number on number line. Let us represent root 10 on the number line. Now one way of doing it would be that we construct consecutive irrational number, that is root 2, root 3, root 4 and so on it. We get root 10, but these could be rather time consuming. So we can do this. First take OA on the number line between 0 to 3, that is 3 unit. Now construct a perpendicular so that AB is 1 unit. Now join OB. Take compass and draw an arc from the point O with length OB. The arc intersects on the number line at D and it gives the length of OD, that is root 10. This method is much easier. Do you agree? Yes. Let us apply Pythagoras theorem in triangle OAB. OA equals to 3 unit and AB equals to 1 unit. So the square of hypotenuse OB is equal to OA square plus AB square. That is 3 square plus 1 square equals to 10. OB equals to root 10 unit and also OD is root 10 units. This method is faster and easier to construct irrational number on the number line. Here we are going to represent root 5.6 on the number line. How do you do that? First draw a line and mark P and Q such that PQ is equal to 5.6 units. Now mark another point S such that QS is 1 unit. Now mark another point O, that is midpoint of PS, so that OP is equal to OS. Place compass at the point O and take radius OP and draw a semicircle as given here. Draw a perpendicular line on Q and meet it at point R. Take Q as center and draw an arc with length of QR as shown here. This arc intersects at point T and length QT is root 5.6 units. Let us justify this construction. PS is equal to PQ plus QS is equal to 5.6 plus 1 is equal to 6.6. PO is equal to half of PS, that is 6.6 by 2 is equal to 3.3 unit. We know that PO is equal to OR because it is the radius of the semicircle. Thus OR is equal to 3.3 units. What about the OQ is equal to OS minus QS is equal to 3.3 minus 1 is equal to 2.3 unit. Using the Pythagoras theorem in triangle OQR, QR square is equal to OR square minus OQ square is equal to 3.3 square minus 2.3 square. Finally, reducing this, we get QR is equal to the square root of 5.6. You remember that constructing the arc QR is equal to QT. Thus, we justify the construction.